Welcome back to another new episode of Come to Work with Me. We are starting off, as usual, with a little stack of boxes. And we've got kind of a white and silver theme going on. Oh, there's a bit of blue poking out there. Let's see what's in the top first one. It is so small. It's just tiny. And there's a little pair of earrings in there. Let's see. Clip-on earrings and broken clip-on earrings. And a matching pendant. So the earrings are these, they look like glass. I wonder if they're not glass. The other piece has fallen off here. And the pendant is missing a bail, so it's just a piece like this. They look like candy, to be honest, but you know what I'll do? I'm gonna turn on my Presidium gem tester. And we're gonna see if it's something. It'll tell me if it's nothing. Takes a minute to warm up. I'll be right back. Yeah, that's glass. Definitely glass. But it's pretty and it catches the eye. I do like that. The next little box, slightly larger, looks like some beads. Maybe a broken something or other. Oh no, it is a set. 2 little clip-ons and then on plastic string. There's that. I'm not going to do a close-up. This has got Eaton's of Canada on it and nothing in it. Moving on. This little silver one with a blue bottom. Oh, it opens this way. Is there stuff? There is stuff! Actual stuff! Yay! Oh, this is cool. There's a bit of a knot in the chain up high, but look at this guy. It looks antique. Lariat style, right? Where it comes down like this and then has a design that flows down from it. The way that it's set, very coolly with the prongs and the open back like that. It's very small and dainty. And the chain has a mark on it here. WBS. And I don't see 925 anywhere, but I would be shocked if it wasn't. Anyway, that one's lovely. Also in there is this brooch. It's got all of its stones, and the back side looks like this. Pretty. And then there is this little necklace that is with a mustard seed in a glass sphere. That's what I'm told it is. There's no mark on the pendant, but that's I don't know, that's kind of fun. From what I understand, it's a religious thing. I don't know the story because I am not religious. And then there is also this set here. There's a necklace and clip-on earrings to match. It's reminding me of grapes and grape leaves, maybe. And there's the back side. Oh, definitely looking at this one with the stem there and everything, but on the back, I don't see a name. And the necklace, there's no name there either, but everything's intact and it's quite pretty, so that's nice. That's a nice find. And then this one says Woodwards. And it feels heavy. There's definitely stuff inside. So first of all, there is a leather set here. A leather brooch in a dogwood design, which is the provincial flower of BC where I live. And there's screw back earrings as well in leather. They have initials on the back, TF. But I come across quite a bit of these leather sets and dogwood things in general. Another brooch, big one. It's quite large with a brushed and shiny finish, no mark. This blue strand of plastic beads. Nothing notable other than a beautiful blue color. And another strand of plastic beads. Funky pink and silver. Here's another brooch out of here with some fluff. And this one has blue stones in gold tone. And nothing missing. No name on the back or anything, but it's quite nice. Another brooch, and this one seems weird to me. I guess maybe not. The big green stone seems out of place. The frosted pink and the purple I get, but this green in the middle, that seems weird. Kind of weird to me. And another one here, blue and clear. This stone here seems to be dying. But again, no name or anything on the back. Now there's a ring in here too. Look at that stone. Wow. Just a silver tone with a big fake rock. There is an owl with a jade chip belly, but lots of finish coming off on his face. And then there is screwbacks in the sort of a moon glow pink button style. And a clip-on in the same sort of a finish plastic, but clip style instead. Okay, those were our boxes for this episode. So now I think we could go into our silver bin. How about we dig in there? I'll go into the smalls first and pull out, well, this used to be a brooch of coins. It was turned into a pendant at some point there, but you can see on the back side there's a barrel hinge, and there's this C clasp here, which tells me it's quite old. I would say based on that, it's probably Victorian or Edwardian. And the coins that are on there, 1981 5-cent pieces from Canada. So there's silver content in there. They would have 80% silver, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 cents at 80% silver. You might get like $9 worth of silver out of that. Back to the silver bin, because that was kind of nice. Now I'm holding a brooch, and it's like a brushed silver finish with you know, grooves in it and some polished. I think it's probably Bond Boyd. Yes, Bond Boyd silver. Okay, I'm gonna go to the big bin for something a little more interesting. Oh, well, it's a collar. You know, it's got the dent here, so you can hang multiple different pendants from it, and it'll hook around the neck like this, and hopefully it's the right shape for your body. Very cool. It must be silver if it's made it into the bin, and there is a mark on it. 925 Torum, T-O-R-U-M being the brand of it. But yeah, there's that. I'll go back to the big one then. A tea strainer with a jade handle. That's pretty pretty. Look at all of the design and open work on the outside of it there, even just up here on the handle. And then of course there's this really beautiful jade handle. It's cold, it's clearly stone and jade. There is marks on the back. It's well tarnished, and that jade has a nice translucency to it. I'm impressed that that jade is intact. To be honest, it's really thin, and it is marked China and silver. Let's go to some costume here beside me. I've got this pair of clip-on earrings, big silver tone flowers, a couple different layers in there. They feel super cheap and they are chipping away. Here's a pair of Monet earrings that I got the other day from somebody. I really like them. They feel like good quality earrings, and they're just a simple gold earring that could fit into anybody's wardrobe, and it is marked on the back there, Monet, on the pair of them. I think they're great. Okay, all right, I got a bag. Here, and we're gonna see what we got in there. So first of all, there's a blue box in there. So a little bonus box. It's bonus box time. And what do we have? We have a set. We have a set of this mesh rope knot sort of style. And they're for pierced ears. I don't see any mark on them. And there's a necklace as well, a matching necklace. It looks like this. It has a sliding piece. So that's gonna be like a choker length, I would say. So I don't know about the set together, but I do like the necklace on its own. And digging in here, I've got a couple of bangles coming out, costume bangles. I don't know that they all go together, but they are together in my hand. This one here with the enamel feels like something of a bit of a better quality, but still there's no mark in there. And I'm kind of a fan of the twisted ones. And then there's these earrings. Look at these hoops. Look at these purple hoops. Now that they're the wrong tone purple for what I've got going on today, but they are in great shape. I feel like I had them in like a set of 5 when I was 12 years old. Like there would have been a pink one and a teal one and maybe like a cobalt blue, you know, in the 90s. Okay. Here is a little bracelet, just a thin little bracelet like this. It has little pieces of lapis lazuli in it. I can see it's probably hard to see for you guys because it's so small, but it has the pyrite and calcite inclusions. I can see that it is lapis up close here anyway. And there's no mark of any kind, but it's really cute. There's this bead necklace here with some nice colors, some faux turquoise and, you know, yellow and amber and brown colors. That's really pretty. There's this bracelet. It feels like it's made of wood. It looks decoupaged. Hey, it's got something written in it. What does that say? For Butch and Dykman Copenhagen. Next out is this guy, a ladybug. It's got clear and red stones, nothing missing either. There's no name on the backside, but it's quite big. It's a big bug. People like ladybugs, so that's a good one. Oh, some more bangles. Woo! Same kind of twisty one. A couple more gold tone bangles. Here's a ring, big old purple ring. And it's pretty costume. It's quite worn, silver tone coming out through it, but large and in charge. Another little box. You got a peek in there, hey? You can see a little bit. Let's see what's in this one. We have a panther, perhaps, with a green eye brooch. And there is no mark on the back side of him. There's a silver tone pair of amethyst tone stud earrings. I've got some pins here from, obviously somebody served their time working at Sears. There's one without a stone. The person worked at Sears at least 35 years. That's what was in this little brown one. And that's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, click subscribe. And I'm trying to upload more. I've been away for a bit, but I haven't stopped buying jewelry, so we still need to keep looking at it. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.